Hello everyone friends. In today's video, I'll show you how to get maximum brightness in Minecraft on any platform. PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, mobile and more. To do this, press the escape button and click on Settings. Then go to Video and select the shader pack. This might take a moment, changing graphics. There. Now click on the shader pack and adjust the gamma. Let's say about 125. Click Continue. Go back and you'll have maximum brightness. Basically, it's like night vision. You can increase it even more, right? To the maximum. So the brightness will increase and night turns into day. I have shaders running so it looks a bit different. But even if you have shaders, the shaders won't interfere. Let me set it back to how it was. This is how it looks at night normally. Go to Settings, click Video, select Simple, and just adjust the brightness slider. Here, and it will also increase brightness to the maximum. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.